Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn ABCD. Let's start. Green color. A. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. B. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. C. C for cap. C for cap. D. D for dog. D for dog. E. E for egg. E for egg. F. F for fish. F for fish. G. G for goat. G for goat. Blue color. H. H for hand. H for hand. I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J. J for joker. J for joker. K. K for kite. K for kite. L. L for lemon. L for lemon. N. M. M for mango. M for mango. N. N for nose. N for nose. O. O for owl. O for owl. Orange color. P. P for piano. P for piano. Q. Q for queen. Queen. R. R for ring. R for ring. S. S for star. S for star. T. T for tomato. T for tomato. U. U for uncle. U for uncle. Yellow color. V. V for vanilla. V for vanilla. W. W for water. W for water. X. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. So kids, what we learned today? Green color, blue color, orange color and yellow color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.